So this is the Romanian kit. It's in the original plastic from J&G sales. It does have a tear or a rip here from age, and I have pulled the stock out of it to take a look at whatever this is happening here. It's some kind of a weird plug or repair. I thought at first it was some kind of trench arc, but I think it's a repair. And then all the original parts are in here. It's stapled the way it would have been, or the way it was, from J&G. That's the way all the parts kits came back in the day, in these plastic bags. And we would poke our way through the plastic bags and try to figure out what dates. Because this one's got the tear in it, we can double check that all the internal parts are in there. You got the bolt, the carrier, the piston attached to it, the recoil spring, all that whole system in place. The pistol grip and everything is still attached to the end of the thing there, or is still in here. We've got the little bag with all the internal parts. Got the ribbed dust cover. You can see the barreled front end populated completely. This is an old G kit, so with barrel original. Now these were used, so they're not pristine, but they're pretty decent condition. And if we poke through the tears, you can see the G and the date here of 1980. 1982, and it's a triangle with no arrow. AR serial number. Be nice. Never been out, just poked through that hole. And it'll be going up for auction at Pot of Gold Auctions. Let's know if you have any questions. Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals at gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.